This is our day 3 and today you will improve your fluency in English. Assalamualaikum, here's Maha. Welcome back to my channel. If you attend day 1 and day 2, that's great. If not, no problem. You can start from today. Because today I have brought you very simple and powerful rules for you that will help you to understand English very easily and you can speak English efficiently and confidently. It's my promise. Before we start, let's begin. Two powerful rules of today that will change your outlook toward English. Rule number 1, I am trying to plus verb. I am trying to plus verb. When you are making an effort but the work is not finished yet. Remember this line? When you are making an effort for something but that work is not completed yet, we use I am trying to plus verb. Let I give you examples. I am trying to learn English. Repeat after me. I am trying to learn English. I am trying to speak confidently. I am trying to improve my vocabulary. I am trying to speak without hesitation. See, it's very easy. Now, rule number 2 is I need to plus verb. I need to plus verb. We use this for important, okay? Important for improvement. For example, I need to practice English. I need to speak daily. I need to improve my English. I need to learn new words. Now, let's make a shadowing practice. Please repeat after me. I am trying to learn English, so I need to practice it daily. See the mixed collaboration of both sentences. Make it natural or real. I am trying to speak English, so I need to practice it daily. I am trying to improve my vocabulary, so I need to learn new words. It's very easy. You should make a 3 sentences of mixed collaboration of both rules in the comment section. I will check it and reply you. Remember one thing, if you practice daily with correct pattern, your fluency will improve. These patterns are very easy. You don't need to memorize the grammar, okay? You just need this pattern. If you follow this pattern, your English will improve and you can speak English confidently and efficiently without any hesitation. Okay? This was our day 3 and in day 4 we will make a conversation practice. Okay? I hope you understand. Comments below if you have any question about these rules. With us for your stay with us. Allah Hafiz.